Okay, guys. So this is Bamdele Onibalusi, the founder and CEO of Reuters in Charge. In this video, I want to show you how to use templates in Gmail or G Suite. So now, what are templates? So when code pitching, one of the major challenges you face has to do, with the number of code pitches you're able to send in a day. Because just as your approach, your strategy is important, it is just as important to realize that cold pitching is a numbers game. So if you're able to send 40 cold pitches a day, you will fare better than somebody who is able to send 10. So one of those hacks I use to send a lot more cold pitches is templates. Now, before getting into this, if you are yet to subscribe to the Writers in Charge YouTube channel, I'll implore you, to scroll down a bit, click that little subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on important videos, updates, guides, tutorials, and walkthroughs like this one. Because sometimes I will release these videos and I won't be sharing with the newsletter, with the Facebook group, or anywhere else. So the only way to get it would be if you are a subscriber to the YouTube channel. So that's it. Templates. So now, if you are the average Gmail user, by default, you don't have templates enabled. So for example, let's try to compose a new email message. So looking at these three dots, more options, if you click on it, we have default to full screen, label, plain text, blah, blah, blah. Now above label, there should be an option for templates, which is not there. So the very first thing you do is you enable this option by going to settings, see all settings, advanced. Now, okay, there is auto advanced, there is templates. This is what we're actually looking for, templates. Then you enable templates and then you save changes. So now let's go back to compose. So as you can see, we go back, to the three dots, that's more options. Templates are actually here now. So now here's how templates, we currently don't have any template. The goal is to have a template, let's say one, two, whatever. So here's how templates work. For example, I want to send a code pitch. Okay, this is the actual code pitch template I want to use. I name this and that, with the idea being that I'll be modifying this particular template, for every prospect I'll be sending an email, I'll be sending a code pitch to. Now, assuming the title is okay, freelance content writer, or okay, let's say, this is just generic. So nothing is not an actual template. It's not the actual template I'm using, though it has worked and it works well. So let's okay. The title is freelance content writer. I name whatever. So what you do is you go to the more options, template, and then you save this draft as template. So you select save as new template, then save. Now, when you go back to Compose, instead of having to type the message manually every time, you simply go to the more options, you go to template, then select the template you saved, and that is it. So you can modify this. Okay, let's say Joseph, um, whatever, you put your name here, Bamidele Onibalusi, whatever, your social proof, okay, I've been featured on, I've been published in, blah, 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 and then you close with your name. Warm regards, Bamidele. So now just put the recipient. Let's okay, Joseph at your okay. You put your recipient there and you're good to go. So just you send. So then you compose again. You go to templates, select the same template, It can be an entirely different recipient. Okay, for example, let's say I want to be sending the message to Bamidele at youngpro.com. So I, Bamidele, I'm reaching out to see if you need, blah blah blah. Bamidele, Onibalusi, you put in your social proof. It's the same process. And then, okay, you sign again. So you can go to compose again, go to template, select. You can use that exact same template. In fact, you can create entirely new template, and the process is practically the same thing. So I hope you've learned something new in this video, and that by making effective use of the inbuilt template feature in Gmail or in G Suite, you are able to send a lot more cold pitches than you would ordinarily have been able to. So again, I'm Bamidele Onibalusi, and the only way to make sure you don't miss updates like this one is to subscribe to the Writers in Charge YouTube channel, which you can do by scrolling down a bit, clicking that little subscribe button, and you are good to go. So do have a wonderful day, and best of luck with your code pitching. Thank you.